Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can tell if someone is using Snapchat Plus. So either they are using the free version of the Snapchat Plus, the free premium subscription, or they paid for it. This is the easiest way to find out if they are using Snapchat Plus or no. So as you see in this picture, the Snapchat Plus subscribers have this white star icon right next to their names. So basically, if you see some of your contacts that at the end of the name have this white star, that means they're using Snapchat Plus. So for example, if you scroll right here to your accounts, to your contacts, and at the end of the contacts right here you see an emoji with a white star, that means that the person is using Snapchat Plus. So is that easy to find out who is using the Snapchat Plus subscription. So guys, this is all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.